Okay, getting the hang of this streaming. Yesterday, I recorded a whole thing without the mic, so sorry about that. But day four of our $500 challenge, we're up 38% after 3 days. We've taken the $500 account almost to 700. So we'll see if we can keep that going today. So make sure everything's working, and I've already you can see overnight, markets pumped. We're still in the midst of all the FUD from the war in Iran. Um, but hopefully that resolves and markets get back. I've already marked, let's adjust this, overnight high, overnight low. I do my lows from midnight basically, which is about right here. So here's my overnight high and low. Yesterday's high in the regular session, low in the regular session, and close. And these are my EMAs, exponential moving averages that I like to look at. Of course, we always look at volume. And then I have this little indicator that I use from a guy that I like. Maybe I'll talk more about it later. VWAP is something that I typically like to look at. And as you know, I trade on the 6-minute time frame. So let's get our friends Jay Dunn and Grizz on board here. And we'll get ready to trade. While we're doing this, and last thing, let's go look at news. Tuesday, Jolts, 8 o'clock. So we'll watch that, and consumer confidence. So that could move the market. We'll be prepared for that with stops if we're in the trades about that time. So there we go. Easy, easy peasy. Preparations for the day of trading. I've got my Ninja Trader ready to go. Here we go. Make sure that's showing properly on our live stream. And it appears to be. Whoop.
Yo, 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 what's good, everybody?
There's Jay Dunn. All right, guys, everybody trade smart and trade safe, as they say.
What's
Well,
up,
let's follow our plan.
jalapeno? We got some great deals going on in the prop world today. We got 90% off Apex back, and we got Tradeify 3.0 that dropped.
Yeah, Tradeify
What's up,
dropped, but I
Bebo?
can't access their website. At least I couldn't this morning. Let's see if it's. Oh, it's back. Great. What they got?
Apex versus Tradeify. Who do you choose? That's the video I'm making today. Who do y'all think I'm going to choose? Yep, the select 25K account, you only have to hit 1,500. Super nice. Super nice. If you're trading on Apex, I recommend the 50K Tradeivate account. Tradeivate end of day account. Show. I think it's like $37 with code JDown or something like that. Did I catch the push up overnight? No, I don't trade overnight, bro.
Ooh, I like this. Yeah, I like their new site. Looks good. What's this? Oh, they've got some a live trading feed on Tradeify. Hey, this is kind of some cool stuff. We'll see.
Trade options expiring same day, not so much these days. If I traded options, I'd trade next day or 2 days out. What do you mean? Apex is $35 with code JDown. It's $35 for the 50K Tradeivate account. It's $34.90. That is a deal. That is an absolute deal, folks. Well, let's get it, everybody. Dun,
11
dun,
minutes to
dun.
open.
We got 11 more minutes to open, everybody. 11 more minutes. They also just added. They also added trade. They also just added trade C as well.
Charts, if we have any more
I'm excited for
levels.
Tradeify 3.0 and everything they dropped today. It was, if you guys didn't hear, 25K accounts. See, your profit target is only like 1,500, which is great if you guys prefer to trade smaller size. Instant activation on past challenges. They added Trade C, a brand new platform that's just like Project X. No more subscriptions, so it's a one-time purchase. You won't get rebuild, which is fantastic.
What?
There's an elite live performance reward pool. So if you go live, there's rewards, there's benefits there more than before.
Wow.
And your first 5 accounts are 40% off, then 30% off after. No activation fee. Nope. It's a game changer, guys.
Yeah, no subscription. Let's go look at that. An account. Let's see what it says. 65 bucks. No daily loss limit. Okay. What's our profit target?
Let's get it, everybody.
Oh,
I want
profit
a
target's
ripper trade today. I want a
15.
big one. We want the big cojones today.
Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'll buy one, but not right now. We're live streaming.
We got it, baby. It's coming. All right, here's the deal, folks. Who thinks that in honor of Tradeify 3.0, if we hit a banger today, we should give away some Tradeify select accounts? Who thinks we got to give away some Tradeify accounts today if we catch a banger?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a yes or is that a no? You guys thinking some Tradeify selects?
Here we go.
Okay. No road codes on Tradeify. Today is the day I'm making the Apex versus Tradeify comparison video, guys. I swear to you, I've been saying it for a while. I won't leave my house till it's done. I won't do it.
So it'll load up that new Tradeify account.
Yeah, we do have a short week for Good Friday. Markets closed Friday. We got 4 minutes, everybody. Grizzly, you here? You live today, my guy? Do you like options or futures better? As of lately, options or futures, excuse me. I guess if you were talking about long term, I've made more money with options than futures. We got 3 minutes till open, everybody.
All right, 3 minutes to open. Got an alarm set for 8 o'clock for the news. There we go. Let's get it.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning.
Tesla's pumping a little bit. The market's up. Yesterday was kind of a bloodbath, and last Friday too. So we'll see. Crypto's flat.
We're almost ready to open the market as well.
Clean our log here on our alerts. Basically have it set to alert when price crosses the 9 EMA. So
Yeah. Oh, market's open. Okay, everybody. As a reminder, if you guys are trading with me, you're choosing DOD. You're choosing discipline over cheap, garbage, self destructive, self sabotaging dopamine. My goal for you is to be able to trade smart, trade safe, and keep the money that you make. I don't want you blowing yourself up. I don't want you giving back profits from a day, 2 days, a week, a month
amen,
because of ego and because of silly
because
mistakes that
I've
are
done it.
100% avoidable. So as long as you're on the DOD train, you're in the right spot and I can help you out. Good morning, everybody.
Right. I usually don't take any trades in the first 15, 18 minutes of the market. We'll see what it gives us. It could be a ranging day. We could sell off and then go higher. We could bounce up and then just go lower. Who knows? We take what the market gives. It's touched on the overnight high, selling off some. So
Where's my bro Gina? I need my coffee. Need to activate pay down. I want to activate it early. Oh. What's on, bro? All right, guys, we got our coffee. We are active. We got our cappuccino rolling into the veins, rolling into the bloodstream. The cappuccino,
it's
la
bumping.
cafecina rolling in the bloodstream. So as far as our charts go, everybody, let's get our levels marked out. Let's add our indicator to the screen. Aztequita. All right, we have. Damn, we're just above that resistance from yesterday too. Those two lower highs during the day. I'm a little bummed they gave us that liquidity sweep of 23,000 last night. That was my main bounce area. And honestly, at this point, too, this structure right here, just on the hourly chart alone, especially if we can get a close above this, like 434, this actually looks good for move up to 500s. It actually looks decent. Let's go ahead and add our key levels on the indicator. Add POC, pre-market low, pre-market high, and VWAP. All right. There we go. What's up, bro? You bring your coffee maker today? Oh, let's go. You brought the Jeep? The heap? You like that? That heap. What? It's up. I need everybody here hoping and praying that we don't go back into this range. If you guys didn't see, Tradeify 3.0 is live. You guys can get your first 5 accounts for 40% off using code JDUN. Tradeify 3.0 includes no more subscriptions, so one-time purchase, real-time dashboards, your dashboard updates real-time with a journal, instant funded account activation, meaning you pass your eval, you can activate your account immediately. They added TradeC, which is a platform that is better than Project X. So if you guys liked Project X, you'll like TradeC. They added 25K accounts, which Gene was a big fan of. Your profit target's only $1,500. And there's an elite live performance reward pool. So if you get too many payouts and you get moved to live, there's more rewards there.
Ooh.
Yeah, a lot of good things happening with Tradeify. So if you guys want to take a trade with me today, go get yourself an account. Why am I still on the 1 hour chart? Whoops. I took a trade yesterday too. Let's see if we can catch a banger today. That's my goal. My goal is to catch a banger. I bought 5 Tradify accounts using your code. Let's go. Danish, I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, my guy. I don't know where Grizzly is. He's in the live, but he's not speaking. I texted him. I said, "You good, brother? Are you good, my guy?" So you can have 10 evals at a time. You can only have 5 funded accounts. Today is the day I'm making that video comparing Apex and Tradify. Today's the day. It's happening today. Well, thank you, Gene.
All right. Finally made it.
The Grizzly.
What's up, bro?
Dude, I've been on support with YouTube forever.
Get it figured out?
No, they can't figure out why I can't stream.
Mm.
It's working
Sorry.
from my desktop, so I'm just going to do that. Not today, but.
Isn't that insane? I think you got out of shorts before that. Gene killed that in Asia. What? Yep. Also, if you didn't hear, Gene is no longer doing Asia at 6 Eastern time. It's now at 7 Eastern time until further notice. He's trying to avoid the first hour chop. We did catch a banger. Yesterday. Well, I wouldn't say banger, but winning trade. We also have Jolt's data at 10 a.m. as well.
Coming up in 17 minutes.
So we'll wait for that. We got data in 17 minutes.
We bounced off the 9 EMA there, so my next target based on it would be looking for it to correct down maybe to between the 9 and the 21 EMA. So be watching that. You'll hear an alert come off if we come down and touch
Jolt's data
the 9
today,
EMA here.
17 minutes.
But you can see we've got pretty good wicks here.
But no, this is
So
very
there's some
new for the
selling
market.
going
It's a
on.
little sketchy.
There's a touch of the 9, and boy, it just immediately recovered. So see what she does here.
we have any more data this morning?
Oh yeah,
A
we have charts
little
at
bit
10.
more.
We have data in 15 minutes. We got our 15-minute range set in.
Wait, let's mark this 15-minute
Point
range.
of control at 458, pre-market high at 439, and 15-minute high at 468. So if we can get a close above these levels, I'll potentially look for a long entry to the upside. Did banger today? It's been a rough month. I got you. This is a lot of candle with no volume, but to be fair, the candle just opened. To be fair, to give it a chance. Got anything on watch, Crazy Clock? A lot of candle for no volume. That's right. So we'll see what they give us here. I'm watching primarily the 5-minute. I want to see a 5-minute close before I take anything. I'd really prefer to see a nice trend day, or if we're going to catch a reject or a bounce, catching an overall bigger move. You could potentially watch, say that like 600 area could be a nice reject too.
Ring volume. So watch that. Watch for a pullback.
My boy Ryan.
Trading
Eligible for
views
another
have a
2K in
problem.
payouts. That's my boy. My boy. Let's go, baby. Jeez Louise. All right, this might give us our confirmation candle. If we get a strong close up here, we got the volume. We got 30 more seconds. I'll look for a pullback down to this